I guess you didn't know that your YouTube description box is one thing that will probably help you grow your channel. A lot of you might think that your YouTube description box is one place where you just write a lot of text about your YouTube videos and then leave it. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to optimize your YouTube description box and how to add tests, consistent tests. So having consistent tests will help you grow on YouTube. Why? Because you'll be adding your keywords, and these keywords will help the algorithm to figure out your content and be like, okay, this channel talks about this, and then let's push it out to this. Okay, for instance, this channel talk about how to make money online, and then let's push it out to people that want to learn how to make money online. Optimizing your YouTube channel is very important, and it can be so tiring writing and writing and writing on every video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set it on the default setting and reuse and reuse and reuse, so you don't have to be writing and writing and writing again. So that all you just have to do is to have a brief text describing the video you uploaded, and this will in turn save time, to save you energy. You won't be stressed out, and because it is constant, because your video description is content, YouTube algorithm will pick it up and will blow up your channel. So follow me through this video and learn this.
So to do this is quite easy. Go over to your photo here and then click on view your channel. While you're here, go to customize channel. Allow it to load up. Once it loads up, go to settings. Go over to upload defaults. Here we have the basic and the advanced settings. Here on the basic, we have the option to add title that describe a video. Of course, we are not going to use this one. Why? Because title of every video varies, so it's going to be very different. Video A is different from video B, so we're going to leave that. And then come down, you can see the description. Tell viewers about your video. So what we'll not do, you will not have to write out your video description that you want to stay consistent. Get so let me give you a sample. I'll go over to copy it. So I'll paste my video description here. So these ones I won't have to be changing them every time. You get, so it just saved me a lot of time. So I have it. You can have the socials and all of that. Visibility, I suggest you select unlisted. Can be public though, but you can change it. So tag, what are your tags? What are the video tags that you want to use? I also have a way of adding tags. I save them as templates because I'm using vidIQ. Okay, so you can add your tag. So what's your video all about? What's the channel all about? Okay, let's give it how to make money online. YouTube. Just write as much tags as you know your channel wants, but I don't advise you finish the old tags. Why? Because some video needs specialized tag. In fact, not some, like all the videos needs different tags. Though what I want you to do here is to write the one that is most consistent with your channel. Say you just like 50% or 70% of the tags you know you're going to be using, and then later on when you're uploading the video, you just add the tag that really talks about the video you are uploading. I don't know if you get. Now I'm talking about how to make money, YouTube tips, content creation tips. Okay. Even if it's in one niche, and then I'm creating video on content creation. Okay, let's say this kind of video I'm doing right now, how to optimize your channel, and then it's under content creation tips and then YouTube tips. So it's less of how to make money online. You get what I'm trying to say? So I would now have to create I would now have to add more tags relating to the video. So once you're done, you just click on save. You can see settings saved. You can view your channel and all of that. So that's it for this short tutorial.
Alright guys, thank you for watching this video to the very end. I hope you got the value. So if this is your first time watching, thank you for watching. Please smash on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post any content. I post amazing content. And also don't forget to like this video. Like and share. Bye.